Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome to Jumpy Token. So, dear friends, I have bring another awesome crypto project, Jumpy CTO. So, I will explain each and everything that how can you buy it and you can hold it, and later you can sell and make a lot of profit. So, don't skip any part of this video. So, before going to start further review, I would request you if you are a new one on my YouTube channel CryptoSonic, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notification. So let's start the review now. So dear friends, I have placed all official link in my video description. You simply click on it and you will come here and can join this amazing platform. So dear friends, it must be kept in your mind that I am not your financial advisor. I am not advising you to invest. Do your own research as well. So here you can also check out CTO Telegram and you can also join, as well as I recommended to all of you must be follow them on their Twitter account to get latest news and updates as well. And now you can also buy it right now. Here you can also check out its contract address and jumping through the world as well. So here you can also check out the funniest memes related to jumping dog souls as well. So here we can also learn its roadmap. So CTO, so Jumpy is officially a CTO, and we now have updated our social and DEX platform to guide the community to our token. So within a team of 10 plus admin working hard behind the scenes, so each member has their own skill set to contribute, whether it's marketing, content creations, or running raids. The jumping team is 24 hours 7 a day active as well. So here you can also learn more about marketing. So they have a set plan in place for paid marketing. On top we have a team of content creator to fuel new memes to keep the reading and content fresh at all times as well. So here we can also learn more about the community. So we now focus on growing the community and making these coins a household crypto name. So here you can also check out the DEX tool and learn its price chart as well. So here first we can also learn about its social media, and I also recommended to all of you must be follow them on their Twitter account and must be join its CTO Telegram and meme Telegram to get latest news and updates. So first of all, check out on DEX screener. Here you can also check out its price chart and you can also check out its current price with Sol pair as well. So here you can also check out its current price as well as 21k dollar is liquidity and flow is 38k dollar as well. So here you can also check out that 38k dollar is market cap as well. Now you can also check that already a lot of people are buying this amazing token as well. Now if you want to be buy, so you can come on the dextool.io as well. Here you need to connect your wallet in which you have some Solana. You can choose any wallet in which you have some balance as well. So you can connect and you can verify your wallet in dextool.io, and then you will be able to easily swap it right now, and you can hold it and later you can sell and make a lot of passive income as well. Now here you can also check out its current price as well, and the market cap is 38.6k for dollar and the liquidity is 21.33k dollar as well. So here you can also check out 24-hour volume is 5.39k dollar as well. And DFS, here you can also check out another awesome thing that the Dexter score is 65 or 99, so it's pretty good. Now you can also check out that score is reliable, trusted, and you can also buy it right now. So a lot of people are already buying here. You can also check out, you can also make trade as well. So there is a little bit dumping, but it will be ready very soon to make a bullish as well. Now here you can also check out its current price and analyze price chart as well. Now you can also buy it right now and make a lot of profit as well. I also recommended to all of you must be follow them on their Twitter account to get latest news and updates. So Jumpy token a dog jumping his way through Solana. So here you can also check out more information. So out of an abundance of cautions, the Jumping Dog City has created a new Twitter account. It has come to our attention that old cheating dev is trying to reclaim the original Twitter account. This will be the official of a Jumping Dog City. So the Lord gives and the Lord to thoughts. So no repent of your shitty meme selection and join the powerful as well. Now here you can also check that to celebrate becoming an official CTO, we are running a meme contest for the next 48 hours. You are eligible to win 5 lakh Jumpy tokens on Solana token to quality. Please retweet, like, leave your meme in a comment below and join our growing community at on jumping CTO, and you will be able to attract their growing and active community. So must be joined right now here, and you can also check out their more tweets as well. So I have placed a link in my video description. So here I also recommended you all must be joined. It's a jumping CTO memes, and you will be able to check out all information as well. I also recommended to all of you must be subscribe jumping CTO portal as well. You will be able to get all latest news and updates related to this amazing project as well. I also recommended to all of you check out all information and do your own research before investing in this project. And here you can also check out awesome more memes related to jumping Doge soul as well. So here you can also check very interesting, funniest and amazing awesome memes as well. So you can also check out pretty good as well. So dear friends, this is an awesome project and it is a golden chance for you to invest in this amazing project that have a massive potential inside, and it can really help you to make a lot of profit. So don't miss this golden chance and must be invested in this project that can really help you make a lot of profit in future as well. I hope so you like this video. Share with your friends. See you next video. Thanks for watching.